Welcome to our Holistic Health Hub YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about caffeine and kidney stones. Kidney stones are a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. They are formed when minerals in the urine crystallize and form hard deposits. These deposits can then block the kidneys, causing pain, nausea, and vomiting. There are a number of factors that can increase your risk of developing kidney stones, including dehydration, a family history of kidney stones, and certain medical conditions. Caffeine is one of the factors that has been studied in relation to kidney stones. What is caffeine? Caffeine is a stimulant that is found in a variety of foods and beverages, including coffee, tea, soda, chocolate, and energy drinks. It works by blocking the effects of a neurotransmitter called adenosine, which makes you feel tired. Caffeine can also increase your heart rate and blood pressure. How does caffeine affect the kidneys? Caffeine has a diuretic effect, which means that it increases the amount of urine you produce. This can help to flush out minerals from the kidneys, which can help to reduce your risk of developing kidney stones. However, caffeine can also increase the amount of calcium in your urine. Calcium is one of the minerals that can form kidney stones. Does caffeine increase the risk of kidney stones? The research on the relationship between caffeine and kidney stones is mixed. Some studies have found that caffeine may increase the risk of kidney stones, while others have found that it may actually decrease the risk. A 2021 study published in the National Kidney Foundation's American Journal of Kidney Diseases found that people who drank more caffeine were less likely to develop kidney stones. The study also found that the more caffeine you drank, the lower your risk of developing kidney stones. However, it's important to note that these studies were observational, which means that they can't prove that caffeine was the cause of the lower risk of kidney stones. It's possible that people who drink more caffeine also have other lifestyle factors that reduce their risk of kidney stones, such as drinking more fluids and eating a healthier diet. Tips for reducing your risk of kidney stones if you're a caffeine drinker. If you're a caffeine drinker and you're concerned about your risk of developing kidney stones, there are a few things you can do to reduce your risk. Number 1. Drink plenty of fluids, especially water. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. This will help to flush out minerals from your kidneys and reduce your risk of kidney stones. Number 2. Limit your intake of foods and beverages that can increase your risk of kidney stones, such as sugary drinks, processed foods, and red meat. These foods and beverages can increase your levels of calcium and other minerals that can form kidney stones. Number 3. Eat a healthy diet that is low in sodium and high in potassium. Potassium can help to bind calcium in the urine, which can help to prevent kidney stones. Number 4. If you have a history of kidney stones, talk to your doctor about other ways to reduce your risk. Your doctor may recommend that you take certain medications or make other changes to your lifestyle. The research on the relationship between caffeine and kidney stones is mixed. Some studies have found that caffeine may increase the risk of kidney stones, while others have found that it may actually decrease the risk. If you're a caffeine drinker and you're concerned about your risk of developing kidney stones, there are a few things you can do to reduce your risk. These include drinking plenty of fluids, limiting your intake of other foods and beverages that can increase your risk of kidney stones, and eating a healthy diet. If you have a history of kidney stones, talk to your doctor about other ways to reduce your risk. That concludes our video on caffeine and kidney stones. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about health and wellness.